Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. This is Harshvardhan from IIT Bhubaneswar. Today we are going to continue the lecture of the Python. This is lecture 2 regarding the rules of naming the variables. Now first of all we will decide what is a variable. Now something, it is a something which stores some value or text in it. Suppose assume there is a man whose name is called Ravi. Okay, so by looking at the face, we can recognize the person as a Ravi. Okay, so it is a variable which stores some information regarding to the something. Now we will see, suppose for example, for your clarity of understanding, assume that it is a picture number 1 and it is a picture number 2. It is a picture number 3. So by this you can clearly understand by this arrow diagram, by this you can clearly define it is an arrow. Okay. By this you can clearly define it is a triangle. By this you can define it is a star. So by this name, by this is name, or by seeing the shape of the properties or properties of the certain shapes, you will define the certain variable or certain name for it. Variable is nothing, it is a name, but it will store some information. Suppose in the case of a triangle, it is a three shape. It is a three shape. So for the triangle, it is storing some idea or it is storing some knowledge of it is having a three shapes of certain of angle sum of angles equal to 180. So variables is something which stores some value or text in it. Now we will see examples in detail regarding to the Python. Okay. Now from here you can clearly see that I have written that a equals to 1. So a. So I am defining that the value of a should be equal to 1, and when I enter the a, the output is displayed as a 1. Okay, but so a is a valid. So it is a valid one. Okay, first of all. And second, do I need only a case where a single variable should be allowed, where the multiple cases should also be allowed? Yes, the multiple like A, B, C, the string is also allowed to store the value. So now A, B, C is become a variable. It is a valid or not? Of course, it is a valid variable. If you don't get an error while running the program, it is a valid variable. Okay, now from ABC and underscore Ravi, what is the main difference? The main difference exists here. It is a underscore in the prefix. So it is a valid? Yes, of course it is a valid. So using of a underscore in anywhere in the assigning the name of the variable, it is a valid. So and one thing, do I can use capital letters as my variable part? Yes, of course, you can use the capital letters as your variable part. So, is there any something variable assignment which will produce an error to us? Think? Yes, of course, there are some variable that will produce error to us. Let us have a look on it. First one. So, I am using at the rate rat. So here I will clearly define, I will change my color. I will here clearly define at the rate rat. So normal rat is a valid, but when you use a special character at the rate, this is a invalid. Okay, the first thing you need to remember. So there is no role for special characters. So there is no role for special characters. What are meant by special characters? Will you tell? Special characters is like a dollar symbol, hashtag, at the rate, and so on. Okay. And one thing, do I use alphabet like numerics in the assigning of a variable? Like one rat? Do I can use? No, you cannot use a numericals in the assigning the variables. So you can see when you use the numericals like 100, it will automatically generate an syntactical error, invalid, decimal, illiteral. Okay, so using of a numerical is invalid. So I will tell some of the rules. You just simply like make a remember of it, so you don't get worried regarding the assignment of a variables. Now you will see. Now, first one. Can I use the small letters? Can I use the small letters like A, B, C, A, B, C, or a combination of it, A, B, C, or anything? Yes, of course I can. Or at the same time, can I use the capital letters? Capital alphabets like capital A, capital B, capital C, or any combination. For example, A, B, C. Can I use? Of course, I can use. Can I use any special characters? Can I use any special characters while assigning the variables? Think? Yes, of course. What is this special character? Only underscore. Only underscore you can use. And no role for any other. So no role for any other. And one thing, can I use digits? For example, 1 RA equals to 10. Can I assign it? No, you cannot assign the digits. Okay. By this, you have get some idea on it. Now I will give an assignment. You just need to type your answers in the comment section. Okay. Now, this is your assignment that I am going to give now. I have a 4 questions for you. The first one is hashtag B ABC underscore 12B and AB underscore capital C. So for this, you need to tell whether these are a valid or not. So I need a 4 answers in the comment section from every one of you. Okay. Now, if you really like my content or if you really like my video, please like and share among with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my video, and this PDF will be available in this channel Telegram ID called Lazy Engineering, and I will also provide the description of a Telegram ID in the description section. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.